This animation will show how a hiatus hernia forms. There are two types of hiatus hernia, sliding and rolling. This animation focuses on the more common type, a sliding hiatus hernia. Click the navigation arrows below the animation screen to play, pause, rewind or fast forward the animation. Your esophagus, the pipe that goes from your mouth to your stomach, passes into your stomach through a hole or hiatus in your diaphragm. Normally, the stomach is situated completely below the diaphragm, as shown here. The esophageal sphincter acts like a one-way valve to stop the acid that's produced in your stomach to break down food from flowing up into your esophagus. Here we show the valve opening and closing. In a sliding hiatus hernia, the sphincter and the top part of the stomach push upwards into the chest. A hiatus hernia can prevent the esophageal sphincter from closing properly. If this happens, acid from the stomach can pass into the esophagus and cause discomfort, known as heartburn. However, often hiatus hernias don't cause any symptoms. Sliding hiatus hernias are usually quite small. They can slide back and forth through the hiatus, so symptoms can come and go. Sometimes sliding and rolling hiatus hernias are present at the same time. This is known as a mixed hernia. This is the end of the animation. Click on the animation screen to watch it again.